Do you know what is the difference between the student scoring 300 and the student scoring 650 plus? The answer is strategy. It is all that matters. Hi, I'm Sanjeevni and today I'm going to tell you how you can take your marks from 300 to 650 plus. If you're scoring 300 now, yes, it is still possible to take your marks to 650 plus. The fun fact is, even I scored around 100 to 150 marks less than what I actually scored in the final NEET exam in my last 30 to 40 days. The student who scores 650 plus marks is not more intelligent than you, but his strategy is more wise than you. So today I'm going to tell you 3 strategies which will take your marks from 300 to 650 plus. So the first thing you need to do is to find your loophole. If you're scoring around 300, the reason could be you're not giving frequent mock tests, not analyzing your mistakes from your mock test, you're not revising your topics enough, and your concepts are not clear. You not scoring 650 plus marks is because of one of these reasons. You need to check where you are going wrong and you need to rectify immediately. The first strategy: master your biology. Your NCERT is your Bible. Everybody says this, and that is 100% true. You need to complete reading your textbook as soon as possible, and you need to revise. You need to read it as frequently as possible, as many rounds as you can. You need to memorize diagrams, tables, and examples. Second strategy: the physics fear. Believe me, even I had this fear, and that was the main reason why I lost so many marks in mock tests and in my previous attempt. And it is very important you give your attention to the physics. You need to love physics if you want marks, and that is 100% true. You need to solve NCERT examples. You need to check your PYQs. Do not go to solve new questions, new kind of questions. Only solve the questions which are similar to your PYQs and just stick to them. Don't go anything beyond them. Maintain a formula sheet for every chapters of your physics and keep reading it. Look into it every morning, and you need to keep glancing those formula sheets which you make. The third strategy is mock tests. You need to give as many as mock tests you can. You just need to give them, and the most important thing is you need to rectify your mistakes. You need to go where you're going wrong. You have to make a separate notebook for your mistakes that you make. Then you need to glance that notebook and check those topics where you're going wrong and what kind of questions you are making mistakes in. You can definitely become a 650 plus scorer from a 300 scorer. I know it sounds easy, but it is not. You just need to be consistent. You need to be not hardworking. You have to work smart now. You just need to revise, you need to practice, you need to rectify your mistakes, and that is all. I know it sounds very easy, but I know it is not, because even I have given the NEET. So if you want to become a 650 plus scorer, face face the challenges, face the problems, and I know you'll definitely get through it. If you're preparing for NEET, then comment down your current mock test score. And if you want more videos on NEET strategy, last minute preparation, how toppers study, and blah blah blah, just comment down and subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down new suggestions, and you're welcome.